Today, I'm going to show you something that is just going to blow your mind. You're going to see how Gemini can actually turn anything into a really cool interactive tool online. Now, the very first thing that I did is I asked it to just tell me about Joanne Kaminski. Let's see what happened and how I did that. So, first, I chose on the tools Dynamic View. And I just said, tell me about Joanne Kaminski. What I got back in return was this, which is pretty darn cool if you ask me. It says, turn your teaching passion into a profitable business. Meet Joanne Kaminski, the reading specialist turned business coach who helps teachers escape the classroom and build 4 to 5 figure monthly incomes as independent online tutors. And even here, there's a button where you can calculate your potential. So if we click on this button, you can actually move this up and down to see what your hourly rate should be and how much income you could make and how much you'll actually lose if you're paying fees to different companies to get students for you or working for other companies. And then here it shares how I can specifically help you grow. You can go to Amazon. And if you click this link right here, it goes to Amazon directly to my book, which is amazing. And then here it talks about my Jumpstart Masterclass and joining the Insider Secrets Club. These buttons don't work, but that's okay. You can't expect perfection with something that's really cool. You can actually go to these podcasts and you can listen to them. And then there's even a testimonial from another tutor who has worked with me inside of our community. You can visit my official site. This work does work. You just click on here and it goes right to my website. Or if you click on here, it leads you to our free community, the ultimate support group for online tutors. This is mind blown. This is when you know that you have an online presence because it's going to create something really incredible that people can actually take a look at and really learn more about you and who you are. It even gave a little timeline here, which I thought was pretty cool. From classroom CEO, Joanne's journey started from a burnt out reading specialist to the leader of the online tutor coach movement. And the classroom years 2000 to 2010, the pivot to online 2010 to 2012, and then building the community 2013 to the present. I am blown away with how it created this within seconds. I can share this with other people. So while it looks like it is my website, it's not something that you would really do. You can share the conversation and have people use it and actually take a look at it. I'm just blown away by this tool at this point in time and what it can do. AI is just getting to the point where it's so incredible. So the next thing I was thinking about is what if I was teaching a word to a student that they didn't understand the meaning of this? Because I think that this is so incredibly cool. And I can't wait to find out what are some of the things that you create and you're able to use within your own online tutoring business that you can share below so other people can see the great ideas of things that you have created. So if we click on, I actually created this tool. I had the word coronation, and it was from a book, Fabulous for Verge Eggs. I ended up finding this word coronation. I was like, oh, this would be a word that a lot of kids wouldn't know the meaning of. We created just by putting in, tell me about the word coronation from the viewpoint of a third grader. And as we open it on up, it created a student-friendly definition, and then it told me that I could start the journey, and it tells me what is the journey. So it broke it up into these short cards, the grand arrival, the shout, the special oil, the crowning, the wave, and then there's a royal treasure chest, and it goes through the crown, the orb, and the scepter, and then here there's some just did you know facts, but they're written so that a third grader could actually read this. Then at the end, you can play a quick game. If you go to start dressing up, it asks some questions like what should Barkley sit on? We want a coronation chair. What goes on the head? If you answer incorrectly, let's say we put rubber chicken, it says, oops, try again. I say Edward's crown. What should he hold in his paw? If I say an orb or a scepter, now it's ready and we are ready to crown him for the day so he can have his coronation. So now he is ready for the parade. How cool is this tool? I would love to learn from you what you think like you could create with this dynamic view inside of Gemini, and type it down below what you were able to create, and to share the link so that we can check it out. All you have to do is click share conversation and it's going to create a link for you. You're going to grab that link and then you can put it inside of the messages so that we can check it out and see what you were able to create, so we can start really using each other to brainstorm the capacity of what this tool can do and how people can use it for their tutoring business. Now, if you haven't created an online presence yet so that you could do the first activity, tell me about Joanne Kaminski, that's exactly what we do inside of our Insider Secrets Club. In the Insider Secrets Club 3.0 for online tutors, we help you create an online presence so that people, when they research you, they can find all the information that they need about you to know that they are hiring the right person. So if that's something that interests you in learning more about, click on the link down below. Join our community. We have our community called the Insider Secrets Club 3.0 for online tutors, where you get to actually learn about all these special things that you can do online to create that online presence.